If you're a Miami homeowner trying to figure out whether to sell first or buy first, you're not alone. This is one of the most common and most important questions homeowners ask when upsizing, downsizing, or relocating here in Miami. So today, we are breaking down the exact situations where selling first makes the most sense, when buying first is the smarter move, and how to avoid the biggest timing mistakes that cost homeowners money and peace of mind. If you want to make both moves seamlessly, join our Move Smart webinar, where we break everything down for you and answer any questions you may have. The link is in the description below. Now let's jump in. Let's start with the core truth. There is no universal right answer, but there is a right answer for your situation. And once you understand the 5 key factors, it becomes crystal clear. Factor number 1, your financial position. If you need the equity from your current home for your next purchase, selling first often gives you more clarity and control. You'll know exactly how much cash you're working with. Your approval will be stronger, and your monthly budget will make complete sense. But one, if you have strong reserves or flexible lending options, buying first can give you the advantage of securing the right home without pressure. This is where speaking with a lender early becomes crucial. Miami homeowners often underestimate how many options they actually have. Factor number 2, your risk tolerance. Some people love certainty. Some people can handle a bit of overlap. If the idea of carrying 2 mortgages, even temporarily, sounds stressful, selling first is usually the calmer path. But if the idea of being between homes stresses you more, buying first might be the safer emotional choice. Your comfort level matters just as much as the math. Factor number 3, Miami's market. Pace in certain parts of Miami. Homes sell incredibly fast. In others, it takes longer. And that difference matters. If your home is in a fast-moving neighborhood and your search is more competitive, buying first might make more sense so you don't feel rushed. If your next purchase is easier than your sale, maybe you're downsizing into a larger inventory pool. Selling first might be the smoother move. You have to look at both markets, not just one. Factor number 4, your timeline. Your personal timing matters. If you have a deadline, a job relocation, a lease ending, kids starting school, you may need the predictability that comes from selling first. But if you have flexibility, buying first may give you freedom to wait for the right property. Here in Miami, aligning your timeline with the market cycle can save you a ton of stress. Factor number 5, your negotiating power. This one is huge because the question isn't just, should I sell first or buy first? The better question is, how can I negotiate terms that protect me on both ends? Buyers today are often willing to offer flexible terms if your home is positioned well. These include rent backs, delayed closings, extended post occupancy, or even leasebacks. These options allow you to technically sell first while still living in your home until your next purchase is finalized. And that eliminates a ton of pressure. So, what's the real answer? If you want certainty, sell first security in finding the right home, buy first maximum flexibility, use a hybrid strategy. And that hybrid strategy is exactly what we teach in the Move Smart webinar. Because the goal isn't just to choose sell first or buy first. The goal is to make both moves work together smoothly. Let's recap. To choose the right sequence in Miami, consider your financial position, your risk tolerance, both sides of the Miami market, your personal timeline, your negotiation options. When you understand these 5 factors, your answer becomes clear. Now, if you want a personalized plan built for your home, your timing, and your next move, join our Move Smart webinar. We'll walk you through the top 5 strategies we use to help you make a seamless move. The link to join is below. And if you want one-on-one guidance, reach out anytime. We're here to help you move smart. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And before you go, enjoy this other video right here on top of screen.